In this question, consider a relation R A B C D E with the following three FDs. AB determine C, BC determine D, and C determine E, my dear. And what is asking the number of super keys present in the relation R is, my dear. So first of all, what we have to do, whatever data is given, we will write. Here R is what? A, B, C, D, E, and whatever FDs are given, AB functionally determine C, BC determine D, and C determine E, my dear. Now we will try to calculate the candidate key. अपन क्या करेंगे? Candidate key calculate करेंगे first of all. So when you take the closure, what you are getting? A, B, C, D, E. Mean to say AB is a super key right now. AB is a super key. Now we have to check either from A or from B. We are getting all attribute. So what we do? We take the closure of A and take the closure of B also, my dear. So here when we take the closure of A, we are getting only A. When we take the closure of B, we are getting only B. So we can say AB is a कैंडिडेट की. इधर कैंडिडेट की क्या हो गया बच्चों? ए बी. ए बी इज ए कैंडिडेट की. फर्स्ट कैंडिडेट की इज व्हाट? ए बी, माय डियर. फर्स्ट कैंडिडेट की इज व्हाट? ए बी. ओके, बट हियर आस्किंग अबाउट द सुपर की. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, व्हेन इट इज मेंशन इन दिस फॉर्म ए बी सी डी ई and here candidate key is what? AB. So what is the total number of super keys? Total number of super keys. How you calculate? You know the Venn diagram concept also. 2 raised to power n minus 2. Either you can calculate in this manner. Yeah, you have another approach also. I will tell both. Don't worry about that. So here n is what? First of all, n is number of attributes. n is what? Number of attribute, my dear. n क्या होगा? Number of attributes. So कितने attributes है इधर? 5. So we can directly calculate 2 raised to power 5 minus 2, 2 raised to power 3, 8 super keys. 8 super keys, my dear. Or you can calculate in other manner. What is the other approach? Here are A, B, C, D, E, in which AB is a candidate key. AB is candidate key. Then what is the subsets? You can say with the help of C, D, E, 2 raised to power 3, my dear. 2 raised to power 3. So directly you can say 8 super keys, my dear. 8 super keys. So here we can conclude 8 is the right answer for this question. 8 is the right answer for this question. So how many super keys, my dear student? 8 super keys is there, because here we are getting only one candidate key, that is AB. Out of 5 attribute, AB is candidate key. Then total number of super keys 2 raised to power 3, means 8 is the right answer for this question. Hope so you get it.